lab partners! Today, we're going to take a look at Microsoft Word. It is absolutely essential that every young scientist knows how to use this helpful technology, but if you don't worry. You will soon know all about this powerful tool and how you can use it to create exciting documents and files. Let's start with the basics. Before you can use this program, you have to open it. To open Microsoft, you need to click on the little Microsoft Word icon. It should be on your desktop or in the taskbar and look something like this, but it might change depending on what version of the program you have on your computer. It could look like one of several different options, including these two that I've shown on the screen for you. If you can't find the icon because it doesn't look like either of these or you're not sure where it is, you can always search for it with the search bar on your computer by clicking the flag icon in the bottom left corner and typing in the name. When you open the program, you should see this screen or something similar to it. Again, it might look different depending on what version you have on your computer. Microsoft lets you use a template or a blank document to create your file. For this video, we're going to make a blank document so you know how to start from scratch. It will open and look like this, except there won't be any words on it. To start typing, you need to click on the first line and use the keys on your keyboard to create the letters and spell out words. To capitalize, use the shift keys on either side of the keyboard and pair them with any letter on the keyboard in order to capitalize that letter. You can also push shift 1 to create an exclamation mark, shift 2 to create the @ symbol, shift 3 to make the number symbol, or shift with any other letter or number on this keyboard in order to capitalize or create a special symbol if it's a number. You can also push shift with these keys in order to create symbols like colons. The first step to making documents, changing the way your text looks, or doing anything else in Microsoft Word is to be in the Home tab. You should already be on it automatically, but if you're not, just click on it in the top corner of the screen. Now, there are tons of different ways you can change the way your text looks in Microsoft, but one of the most important things to learn is how to make your text bigger or smaller. To do this, you need to start by highlighting the text that you want to change. You hold the left mouse button down and drag your mouse pointer to the right. This should highlight part of a single line of text. To highlight more or less, you drag your mouse pointer up or down in the document. You start highlighting on the left at the very beginning of a line. This will highlight as much words as possible. Now when you highlight some text, a little menu will appear like this one that you can see on the screen. I'll enlarge it so that you can see it more closely. You can see this little drop-down option that has some numbers in it. Mine says 18, yours will probably say 11 or 12. When you click the drop-down, you will see a list of different numbers. These are all possible sizes that you can make the text in your document. Scroll down in this list until you find a size that you like, and then you can click on it to make all of the text that you've highlighted that size. If you're not sure exactly what size you'd like to use, you can use this big A and little a right next to the drop-down menu to change the words a little by little at separate increments at a time. This is helpful if you're not sure exactly what size you're looking for, so you can change it just a little bit in order to get that perfect size that you want.